Hello all. Today is the bad day. So I parked the car and I went inside, and while coming back, I saw my car windshield got broken. I don't know, someone broke the glass and they went. They didn't put any information also. If anybody involved in this damage, they have to leave their information, phone number or insurance information. But here, I don't see any info. That's where I'm checking with some neighbors. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Morning I went to drop my daughter. At that time it was not there. And I parked here and I went inside. And now I am planning to go out and it is broken.
very sorry. No idea.
Do you have any cameras here?
That's supposed to be.
I came to know some maintenance workers are working here. I think they might have done this. I'll check with the leasing office. But don't park your vehicle opposite to the pathway. I checked with the auto body shop. They said without insurance it will be 1200 including recalibration. But I want to go with the insurance, so I can pay only $250, which is deductible from my insurance. If the crack is 6 inches or less, then it can be repairable. Don't delay. If you can delay, it keep on increasing that crack. Okay, thanks for watching.